Hello students, welcome to the online classes and this is your Naima Miss. So today we'll continue with the next topic. So we'll continue with the next topic, children, that is as I said you before, that we'll continue with chemical reaction based on the temperature. We have learned already about the reactions taking place, how the reactions are taking place, balancing the chemical equation, why do we need to balance the chemical equation, and what are the types of chemical reactions, and what is rancidity. Okay, we will learn today about the reactions based on the temperature, right? So reactions based on the temperature. So we can see that there are two types. There are two types of chemical reactions based on the temperature: exothermic and endothermic. Okay, endothermic and exothermic. Exo means releasing out, endo means taking in. When the heat is released along with the product, then it is called as exothermic reaction. Okay, when the heat is required in the form of like energy is required in the form of heat, light or electricity, then heat is absorbed there, so that is called as endothermic. So here very easy to understand, children. Exo means what? Releasing out, leaving it out, right? So when the heat is getting released, then it is called as exothermic. Here endo means taking in. When the heat is absorbed, then it is called as endothermic. Okay, very easy to understand, no need of any confusion. For example, when we are burning any natural gas, okay, what will happen? For example, I'll tell burning of natural gas. Natural gas example is methane. Okay, what it is? Methane gas we are taking and we are burning in presence of oxygen. Then we are getting what? Carbon dioxide plus water and plus we are getting heat. Okay, heat is getting released. So did you understand? Here we are not using anything. We are only the methane is undergoing oxidation. We are burning it and we are getting carbon dioxide, water and heat. So this is called as exothermic reaction. Okay, endothermic reaction, where the energy is used in the form of anything, heat, light or electricity, anything. So here the endothermic reactions, you can see they take place in decomposition. We have already learned about decomposition reactions, right? We have learned about decomposition reactions. So here we can say that endothermic reaction, we can give examples of decomposition reaction. Again we can see that here heat is used, that is thermal, isn't it? Then we can see the photolysis is taking place. Then we can see the electrolysis is taking place. All this thing is taking place, right? So these reactions are nothing but where the heat is absorbed. Here heat is energy is absorbed. Here heat is absorbed, heat energy is absorbed. Here light energy is absorbed. Here electric energy is absorbed. So this is nothing but here the energy is utilized. So that means this is endothermic reaction. I hope this has been very clear to you all. With this we complete the chemical equation lesson. So if any doubt, you can just leave a comment or come back to me with the doubts. Till then, till I come with the next video, take care.